Navigating airport security with medication can definitely be complicated, and, it could even lead to essential medications being taken away. In today's video, we're covering the top 8 tips for packing your medication the right way so you can get through airport security with ease. Welcome back to Travelvette, your one-stop for tips, tricks, and the latest updated information on all things travel. So, let's get started. Packing tip number 1. Always keep your medication in your personal item bag. It can go into your carry-on bag, but I highly suggest it stays in your personal item bag because if for some reason your carry-on needs to be checked, then you won't have access to it. Immediate access. Having your meds in your personal item bag means no digging through carry-on luggage that's in the overhead bins. But your personal item bag should be able to fit completely under the seat in front of you on the plane. This is perfect for timely doses. Carrying your medications also safeguards them from the risk of loss or damage in checked bags. It really makes security checks easier, since you'll be ready to declare your meds. And keeping them with you helps maintain the required storage conditions, especially during those long trips. So I always organize my meds in a dedicated labeled pouch within my carry-on for quick access and, honestly, just for peace of mind. Don't leave your health to chance. Pack smart and stay prepared. Packing tip number 2. Always keep prescription medications in their original packaging, not a pill case. When traveling, especially internationally, it's really essential to keep your medications in their original packaging rather than transferring them to a pill case. Here's why. Clear identification. Original packaging includes important details like the medication name and dosage, which can be super helpful for medical assistance and security checks. Name matching is key too. Make sure the name on your meds matches your travel documents to avoid confusion at security and to confirm ownership. Avoiding confusion is a big deal. Original containers help prevent mix-ups with similar pills or liquids, making sure you get the correct dosages. And legal protection matters. In foreign countries, having your meds in the original packaging can provide legal safety, especially if customs need to verify your medications, since some nations have really strict regulations. Labeling information is also important. Original packaging includes all the necessary details for refills, or if you run into any issues while abroad. Oh, and by the way, for over-the-counter medication, baby formula, or breast milk, and let's not forget things like diabetic juices, these all need to be completely labeled, because if not, those liquids could easily be subjected to the airport security liquid rule. Though it takes up a bit more space, keeping medications in their original packaging is vital for your health and safety, especially in unfamiliar places. Pack smart and stay safe. Packing tip number 3. Always inform airport security if you're carrying medication, medical devices, or internal implants. When navigating airport security, it's crucial to communicate about any medications, medical devices, or internal implants you have. Here's why this step is important. Smooth screening. By declaring your medication and devices up front, you can help avoid delays and ensure a smoother screening process. Security personnel can take the necessary precautions, especially if you have liquids or devices that may trigger alarms. Special handling. Some medications, particularly liquids, may have different security requirements. Notifying staff ahead of time allows them to handle these items appropriately and in line with regulations. Medical needs. If you have specific medical needs or require immediate access to your medication, letting security know can ensure they facilitate a quicker response. Transparency. Declaring your medical devices or internal implants, like pacemakers, helps security staff understand your situation better and can prevent unnecessary concerns during screening. Peace of mind. Being upfront about your medical necessities offers peace of mind while traveling, allowing you to focus on your journey rather than worrying about potential complications. Remember, a little communication goes a long way in ensuring a safe and hassle-free travel experience. Pack wisely and prioritize your health. Hey, so please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're getting value out of the information I've shared so far. Remember, you're helping to support this channel so I can keep bringing you more great and helpful information. Okay, packing tip number 4. Know the rules for traveling with cannabis. When it comes to traveling with cannabis, understanding the regulations is, honestly, vital to avoid legal troubles. Here's what you really need to consider. Local laws vary a lot. Cannabis laws can differ significantly between countries and even within different states or regions. So, it's important to research the specific laws around cannabis use and possession at your destination to make sure you're in compliance. Federal versus state regulations. In places where cannabis is legal, you've got to be aware of the difference between state laws and federal regulations. Even in states where it's legal, traveling across state lines or to areas where it's prohibited can lead to some serious legal issues. And don't forget about airport regulations. Most airports follow federal law, which prohibits cannabis possession. Even if you're in a state where cannabis is legal, carrying it through airport security can result in confiscation or even legal action. So be sure to check the airport's policies before you go. Now, know your limits. If you're traveling to a location where cannabis is legal, make sure you understand the possession limits. Carrying more than the allowed amount can lead to fines or arrests, so yeah, be careful. And if you use cannabis for medical purposes, make sure you have the necessary documentation or prescriptions to back it up. This can really help clarify your situation if you're questioned. When it comes to transporting safely, if it's legal, make sure your cannabis is stored securely and discreetly to avoid drawing attention. Use child-proof containers and definitely avoid consuming it while traveling. Always stay informed and prioritize safety to ensure a hassle-free travel experience. So know the rules for traveling with cannabis to protect yourself and your journey. Packing tip number 5. How to pack your medication for travel like a pro. Packing your medication efficiently is key to ensuring you have everything you need while traveling. Here's how to do it right. First, create a medication list. Before you start packing, make a comprehensive list of all your medications, including dosages and when you need to take them. This will help you keep track and ensure you don't forget anything. Use a dedicated medication pouch. Invest in a clear, labeled pouch or case specifically for your medications. This keeps everything organized and makes it easier to find what you need quickly. If you take multiple medications at different times, consider organizing them by daily schedule. Use separate compartments or sections of your pouch to group medications based on when you need to take them. Don't forget to include necessary supplies. Pack any additional items you might need, such as pill cutters, measuring spoons for liquid medications, syringes for injections, or cold packs for temperature-sensitive medications. Make sure you check temperature requirements. Some medications require refrigeration or need to be protected from extreme temperatures. If they do, pack them in insulated cases or with ice packs as needed. Always carry extra supplies. It's a good idea to pack extra medication in case of travel delays. A good rule of thumb is to bring an additional few days' worth of medication beyond what you think you'll need. Also, keep it accessible. Store your medication in an easily accessible part of your carry-on bag, which is especially important during the security screening process when you may need to present them quickly. Label everything. If you're traveling with multiple family members or have different types of medications, make sure each item is clearly labeled with the user's name and specifics to avoid confusion. By packing wisely and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a smooth journey and focus on enjoying your travels. Stay organized and stay healthy. Packing tip number 6. Prepare for the unexpected. Traveling can be unpredictable, so it's crucial to be ready for any surprises that may arise. Here's how to ensure you're well prepared. Extra medication. Always pack additional medication beyond your expected needs and aim for at least a few extra days' worth. This accounts for travel delays or unexpected changes in your itinerary. Emergency contacts. Create a list of emergency contacts, including your healthcare provider and local pharmacies at your travel destination. Keep this list with your medications for easy access. Medical documentation. Carry a copy of your prescriptions and any relevant medical documents. This can be invaluable if you need to refill a prescription while away or if you encounter health issues. Learn local medical resources. Familiarize yourself with healthcare facilities in your destination area. Knowing where to go for medical help can make a significant difference in an emergency. Allergy alerts. If you have allergies or specific medical conditions, Consider wearing a medical alert bracelet or carrying a card that details your needs. This can help first responders assist you more effectively. Temperature control. If you're traveling with temperature-sensitive medications, pack accordingly with ice packs or insulated bags. This will ensure they remain effective, even in unexpected heat or cold. Stay informed. Check travel advisories for your destination, including health alerts, which might impact your trip. Staying informed allows you to adjust your plans as necessary. Flexible packing. Leave some room in your bag for any medications or health supplies you may need to purchase while traveling. This ensures you have space for any unforeseen necessities. By preparing for the unexpected, you can minimize stress and ensure your health needs are met, no matter where your travels take you. Stay adaptable and enjoy your journey. Packing tip number 7. Utilize resources for traveling with medication. Traveling with medication can be complex, but many resources are available to help you navigate the process smoothly. Here's how to make the most of them. Consult your healthcare provider. Before traveling, speak with your doctor or pharmacist about your medications. They can provide valuable advice on storage, necessary documentation, and any potential health risks at your destination. Research travel guidelines. Check resources like the Transportation Security Administration or your country's travel health authority for up-to-date regulations regarding traveling with medications. They often provide specific guidance on what you can bring and how to pack it. Use travel apps. Leverage mobile apps designed for travelers that can alert you to local pharmacies, hospitals, and healthcare providers at your destination. Some apps also include features for managing medication schedules and reminders. Contact your airline. Reach out to your airline for information on their policies regarding traveling with medications. They might provide special accommodations or guidelines that can ease your travel experience. Pharmacy resources. Many pharmacies offer travel health consultations and can assist with prescription refills while you're away. Don't hesitate to ask for help from your local pharmacist regarding your travel plans. Support groups and forums. Joining travel or health-related support groups online can provide insights from other travelers with similar health needs. They can share tips and suggestions to help you on your journey. Emergency services information. Familiarize yourself with local health resources and emergency services at your destination. Websites or apps like the World Health Organization can provide useful information about health services regionally. Social media and blogs. Follow trusted travel blogs or social media accounts dedicated to health and travel. They often share useful tips, personal experiences, and updates about traveling with medications. By utilizing these resources, you can ensure a more informed and prepared travel experience, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip while managing your health effectively. Stay informed and travel confidently. Packing tip number 8. Give yourself extra time. Seriously, it's always a good idea to start packing earlier than you think you'll need, so you can avoid that last-minute rush and make sure you don't forget anything important. When preparing for travel, allocating extra time is honestly essential for a smooth experience. Here's why. Planning ahead helps you pack medications and health supplies thoughtfully, minimizing the risk of forgetting anything important. Travel uncertainties like security line delays or traffic are just so much easier to handle when you have time to spare. Extra time allows you to maintain your medication routine, even if travel plans change unexpectedly. Arriving early helps you deal with security checks, especially when declaring medications, without the pressure of rushing. You can also use the extra time to familiarize yourself with local medical resources and pharmacies at your destination. Extra time enables you to organize your medications effectively, making sure you have easy access during your journey. If you're feeling unwell before travel, having time allows you to consult a healthcare provider without feeling rushed. And thoughtful planning can help you avoid bringing unnecessary items, so you only bring what you truly need. By giving yourself extra time, you really enhance your travel experience, making it easier to focus on enjoyment while ensuring your health needs are met. Prepare wisely and travel with ease. As we wrap up, just remember that traveling with medication doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these essential tips, packing smart, staying organized, and preparing for the unexpected, you can ensure your journey is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Whether you're embarking on a new adventure or visiting family, prioritizing your health while on the go is key. Take the time to plan, pack wisely, and utilize available resources to keep your medication routine in check. And most importantly, give yourself the extra time you need to manage everything stress-free. Thank you for joining me today. Safe travels, and may your adventures be filled with joy, health, and unforgettable memories. Until next time, take care and travel well.